This is our closed-end injection machine with the bottom straw and the top straw injection. This machine is suitable for nylon zipper and plastic zipper just by changing the mold. Also, it's suitable for the number 3 to number 10 zipper. For number 10, the size is too big, so you must change this wheel. Okay. For other size, no need change another part just by changing the mold. Now let's see the process from here. So see the zipper after gapping and the slider mounting come from here, go to inside. And this is the part to keep, this is the spring to keep the slider can be go to inside smooth. And this is the injection mold, closed end and the top straw injection mold. This machine output is about 800 to 1,000 pieces per hour with the size from the 10 to 20. Look at the zipper after bottom straw and the top straw injection already. And from this part and this part pick up the material entrance flame away. Okay. So see this zipper. This zipper after bottom straw and top straw injection already. So now let's see the result. Here, okay. And let's see this side. Okay, it's a very good result. So if you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.